In this video, we're going to learn how to solve problems involving percentages for WASSCE Mathematics. So guys, we're going to practice with 8 repeated questions for this topic. Let's get started. For the purpose of this video, I will be practicing with the scientific calculator to solve most of the problems we're going to encounter here, which is allowed for your WASSCE Mathematics. Scientific calculator is allowed. Okay, so let's get started quickly. Let's bring the calculator and solve this question 1, which is very simple. So for this question 1, let me just show you how I can represent this mathematically. So mathematically, this question 1 means we have 85%, okay, of x, that's times x, is 3,230 naira. The currency of Nigeria is naira. Those of you in Ghana know is CD. So this is the same thing as 85x over 100 equals 3,230 naira. So let's plunge this in the calculator now to get the answer. So the very first thing to do will be to clear, as usual, to clear, press shift button 9, open instructions, press 3, press equals and press equals again. Now let's represent this in fraction. We have 85x, okay, over 100 equals alpha, and this calc button 3,230. To solve, press shift this calc button, so it's to be very important. Then press equal to. So we have the output to be what? 3,800 naira. So the right option is option D. So that's it for this question. Let's solve the next repeated question. Let's write this, guys. Okay, so next question will be this one. It says, in an examination, Kof is called these percentages for physics, chemistry, and biology. If his mean score for the 3 subjects was 55%, find x. Okay, this is very simple. Let's bring the calculator now and solve this. So for that question, all you need is apply the formula for mean. So you are going to use equation solver to solve this problem. So it will be x, which is unknown, plus the ones known. We have 50 there, plus 70 for biology. So over 3, we have 3 subjects there, equals alpha, and this calc button equals what? Let's check. 55. Okay, 55. To solve, press shift calc, assign s to be 0, very important, press equal to. So we have it to be 45. The value of x is what? 45, option D. Okay, find x, s 45. So that means Kof is called 45% in physics. It's as simple as this. Next question will be this one. It says, if x% of 240 equals, find x. We have solved similar question like this, which was question 1. Let's still solve this question. Very simple. So for this question, let's wipe this. It will be x% of 240 is something as x over 100 times 240 equals 12. So in fraction, x times 240 is something as 240x. Okay, alpha and this over 100. Okay, equals, press alpha and this calc button equals what? 12. To solve, press shift calc, assign x to be 0, press equal to. So x equals what? 5, option B. That's it for this question. The next question will be this one. So it says, the monthly salary of a man increases from 2,700 naira to 3,200 naira. Find the percentage increase. Okay, so to get the percentage increase, let's get a calculator. So firstly, subtract this value 2,700 from 3,200. So basically, we are going to apply the formula for percentage error to solve this question. So when you do 3,200 minus 2,700, basically will be 500. So the difference there, we have 500 over the actual salary before the increment. So the monthly salary of a man increases from, so that the actual that is 2,700 naira. Then I'm looking for percentage increase times 100 over 1. So press equal to, we have it to be what? To put it in decimal, press SD. So we have it to be what? 18.5. Right option is option A, 18.5%. So that's it for this question. The next question will be this one. It says there are 250 boys and 150 girls in a school. If 60% of the boys and 40% of the girls play football, what percentage of the school play football? Let's bring a calculator. This question is simple. So guys, to solve this question, let's get the number of boys that is playing football out of these 250 boys. So we have 60% of the boys. So 60% of the boys will be 60 over 100, okay, times 250. Press equal to, we have it to be 150. Okay, so 150 boys out of 250 are playing football. So for girls, it will be, let's adjust. So it will be, let's change, we have 150 girls. Let's get number of girls that are playing ball out of the 150. So the percentage is 40. Okay. Remember, we got 150 for boys. 60. Okay. We have 60 for girls and 150 for boys. So it should not be, to get the percentage of the school that plays football, it should not be, let me show you, 60 plus 150 will give us 210 over the combination of the boys and girls in the school. In total, we have it to be 250 plus 150, that's 400. Okay, times 100 over 1. So that's how you can solve this. Press equal to. You have the answer to be, put this in decimal, 52.5. The right option is option A, 52.5%. So that's it for this question. It's as simple as this. Let's solve the next question now. So what percentage of the school play football? That's 52.5%. The next question is this one. It says a baker used 40% of 50 kg bag of flour. If half of the amount used was for the cake, how many kilograms of the flour was used for the cake? This is simple. Let's make a calculator and solve this. So for this question, let's 40% of 50 kg, let's break it down into kilogram. So it will be 40 over 100, okay, times 50. This should give us 20. So now that means 20 kilogram of 50 kilogram bag of flour was used by the baker. So out of this 20 kilogram, we say 1/8 of the amount used was for cake. How many kilograms of flour was used? Let's check for the cake. Okay, let's make a calculator again. So to solve this now, it will be, this is simple logic, 1/8 of 20 kilogram. So the answer is what? 5/2. So 5/2 is something as 2 number 1/2. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1, 5. So the right option is option D. Okay, so that's it for this question. As simple as this. Next question will be this one. So guys, before I solve this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. We really appreciate this. Okay, so let's solve this, guys. It will be, let's bring the calculator. Remove this. So the question says the price of a shoe was decreased by 22%. If the new price is $27.3, what is the original price? So let me show you I can express this mathematically. So mathematically, this is, so it will be 100 minus 22%, which will give you what, 78%. So it says if the new price is this, what is the original price? So let's call the original price X. So it will be 78% of the original price. Let's call it X. So over 100 equals $23.3. So when you cost multiply, you're going to have, at this juncture, let's punch this on the calculator. So this will give us 100 times, or let's use the equation solver. So we have in fraction 78% of X. So that means 78 over 100. 78 over 100. When you put 100, you can now cancel the percentage. Okay, 78 over 100 X. Okay, alpha X then equals, assign X to be 0, sorry, equals 27.3. Assign X to be 0, shift calc 0, price equal to, so it will give you what, 35. So that means the original price was $35. So that's it for this question. Let's wipe this and solve the last question before we end this video. Okay, so making progress. The last question will be this one. It says express this as a percentage, correct one decimal place. Very easy. So it will be as a percentage, that's 7 over 19. Okay, sorry, times 100 equals what? Put this in decimal, 36.8. So the right option to one decimal place. So this 4 is not up to 5, so you can now add it up as 1. So it's 36.8%. So that's the answer to this question. This is basically can do problems involving percentages. For the WASSCE Maths, we practice with 8 repeated questions for this video. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's cut the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, once make sure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel from what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I will surely give you a response. Also, ensure that you are part of the channel membership by clicking the join button, where you will be getting premium information that help you to excel in your external exams like your WASSCE and other external exams you'll be writing. Alright, so having known this, don't forget to stay one step and press shift button 9 for the instructions, press 3, press equal to, and press equal to again. So that's it, guys. Click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video.